Okay, so I want you to play this chord. I believe you'll be able to get this one. From there, you know how to play the Makossa chord progression I showed you earlier. So I'm doing this in the key of D. So the first chord there is the one chord, which is the Do. You see it? Press this two, take this one there, yeah, and this one down, yeah. Okay, and this is saw. Then you play your saw like this. So this is do ti la do fa. So you play your re saw ti, or from your T, do ti la do fa ti. So you're playing from your T, re saw ti ti. This down. So you hold these two here and put your middle finger in the saw. Okay, why this one go on? You play that the same that shape a whole tone. That is your va. Okay, the same shape. So two. Okay. From this on now, you move a whole tone to here. Okay, so that is how you can start your Makossa style of music. Okay, so if you like the video, I want you to give a thumbs up. I want you to give a comment down below. Okay, all right, see you in the next video.